Hey everybody, that's what we're working on. So I tried getting away with just hooking up like a solar panel to them and just letting them like trickle charge all the time, and it keeps them at 12 volts, but that's just not enough to get this thing started when I haven't run it in a week or two. So we're gonna be changing those batteries out. I just picked up 2 batteries from Rural King. They're their farm batteries, commercial batteries for backhoes and tractors and all that jazz. So we're gonna take this charger and throw a quick charge in them. The battery said that they were made last month, so you know they should. I'm sure they're still good, but let's I don't know, make sure that they're up to snuff before we bother installing them. So we're gonna charge them tonight because it's the 2 batteries, and I got both of them for like 140 bucks with tax. So that's as good as it gets. So tomorrow we'll take it all apart. We'll clean up all the ends like we've done before, and it worked well. We'll clean up the ground again, and then we'll put the, I don't know, it's like the gel on it to keep everything from corroding. So we'll do that, and we'll have this thing running sweet. So yeah, I just have been having like regular projects with it, so if I have to like stop and get the charger out and let it charge for like half an hour, it just kind of adds too much time to all the jobs, and there's just too many. So we got this piece of equipment, we got to keep it running. So it's not 100%, so we'll let this just go for a few hours, and we'll see, and we'll check it. Alright, so this is showing it's low also. So I've never owned this brand of battery before. It has a 1-year full replacement, and then I think it's prorated for the next 12 months, so a 2-year warranty on it. For the price, for basically $62 a battery, I'm going to take a chance on it, because calling around to get like the marine deep cycle batteries, they're north of 110 bucks, so it's almost like getting one for free. Alright, we will, I'm going to set a timer for 2 hours, and I'll come out and see where they're at. Set a timer for 2 hours.
Alright, 2 hours. Starting now.
Okay, we got our countdown. Alright, 2 hours have passed, timer worked great. Both battery chargers are showing green, fully charged. To be honest, I don't know why they don't just come charged. If you know, send me a comment. But Honey's out here. She has her glow-in-the-dark collar on because it's getting dark soon here. Alright, let's unplug everything and head inside for the night. Alright, so yesterday you saw me throw these 2 batteries on charge. Getting towards evening now. I'm going to swap them out and fire it up. and hopefully that solves our problem. But I brought out the wire brush, I brought out the connector protector, the dielectric grease. Couldn't remember that yesterday. So let's get to it. Yeah, these have not gotten any lighter. Actually, these are still looking pretty shiny from earlier in the season. Because these terminals don't have anything on them. So with hooking these up, you have to be a little mindful. Like I hooked it up positive to positive, so that just means it's well, it's correct for this application. But if you hook it up positive negative, you made a 24 volt battery. being it's a big old diesel. So last time, earlier this summer, I had starting problems, and it all really came down to this ground here. So just going to take a second, clean it up again. So we put this new eyelet on. That sure did help, but it was a little rusty right now. So honey, come on! Oh, that dog. Just takes a good couple hollers so she pays attention to me. Okay, so that is it. Let's go carry this battery back to the truck so I can take it back tomorrow for the core, and let's get the backhoe key. All right, cleaned up a little bit. Got good thing for the camera. All right, I'm not gonna uncover the seat. I'm not gonna drive or anything. Just gonna start it up. All right, got to click. Pressing to heat up the glow plugs. Kind of think that was our problem. Alright, so thanks for working. This is going to be awesome. This was our biggest problem with it at the moment was just bad batteries. They're just old, so nobody's fault, just old. Alright, let's clean up and get to the next project. Alright, so it was definitely the batteries. I just put the voltmeter on it. It's alternator's working because it's showing 13. So yeah, this should be the problem, I hope. Alright, hopefully lasts a long time, but I'm still going to use the kill switch. Someone put that on from the batteries to the starter and stuff before we ever got it. So there's probably a good reason for it. Alright, so that's a pretty simple fix for the old John Deere over behind me. Yeah, let's hope that's all it needs for a little bit. You know, we don't mind paying for maintenance around here, because that's the ultimate back saver. There's definitely countless jobs around here I could not have gotten done without it.